Hey there, fellow cleaning enthusiasts. Are you ready to take on the ultimate cleaning challenge? Well, get excited because today we're diving into some fun and interactive ways to spruce up your space with our very own cleaning challenges. First up, we have the 30-day Declutter Challenge. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to clarity as you tackle a different area of your home each day for 30 days. Whether it's your closet, pantry, or junk drawer, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to conquer the clutter. Feeling ambitious? Then our 1-week deep clean challenge is just what you need. Dive deep into the dirt and grime as you dedicate a week to giving your home the deep clean it deserves. From scrubbing floors to organizing cabinets, you'll be amazed at the transformation. But here's the best part. These challenges aren't just about cleaning. They're about community. We want you to join in on the fun and share your progress along the way. Whether it's posting photos, sharing tips, or cheering each other on, let's support one another as we work towards cleaner, happier homes. So are you up for the challenge? Let's make cleaning fun and interactive. Join us as we embark on a journey to cleaner spaces and stronger connections. Together, we can turn cleaning challenges into triumphs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our cleaning adventures. Until next time, happy cleaning.